spirituality is actually just an idea of connection, connection with you, with the world, with your.
But then it makes me wonder if we don't give ourselves a chance for a relationship with such, negative experiences, what then?
So that hopefully that will allow other men to feel like comforted to say like, oh, actually what I'm doing is also
absolutely the concept of femininity and masculinity has shifted greatly in the past.
There's power in reframing something that is like shouldn't touch it with a 10-foot pole to let's approach it.
Moments of ruptures inside oneself and how destruction is necessary for creation.
How do you think that your perspective of grief, or our perspective in Canada, let's say, and our customs, our coping mechanisms, how do you think they compare to other
cultures? That was just perhaps like even like a module of all like different types of like experiences we create.
This is the Conscious Creative Culture Podcast. Join us on Fridays for new episodes.